Hey guys, it's April and we are live in Cape May, New Jersey. So we wanted to come live and say a few things. First of all, this is Truck Baby back here. Hey!
Truck Baby!
It's a new food truck, and I'm going to flip you so you can see Faith Cooks Love. Hey girl! So this is Faith's food truck, and loves it. And we're going to do a little tour around this way. Cute! Hello!
First stop, West Cape May.
First stop, West Cape May. So,
I think I'm gonna get antique plates.
we have some viewers on here. Hey guys! Hey Donna! Donna B. Party in the USA, boo. So, we have some news for you guys. For those who have been watching our shows over the past couple of years, Faith Cooks Love, we have exciting new and improved episodes coming for you. And also, we have the addition of the Truck Baby in the background. And Faith's going to tell you about that. So, what's going on with the truck, Faith?
Okay, so, we are providing...
Hey guys, we have some guest visitors here. Hey guys. So tell us about, what do you guys know about Faith Cooks Love? Have you ever seen our episodes together, April and April?
Yes, I watch them all the time. I heard this is the best cook in Cape May and East Coast area.
Have you ever tried the food?
Yes, I'm trying every day. 12 o'clock, my lunch is taken from Faith. So,
Love it. And do you feel healthy and fresh?
I feel very fresh after the meal. Yes, I have energy. I'm full of energy. I can run another 24 hours after that.
So are you excited about the new April and April Faith Cooks Love live videos?
I'm really excited.
Awesome. We can't wait to share with you. Thanks, Gabe.
Welcome.
Don't forget Pocha over here.
So we have Faith over here.
I'm shy.
He's camera shy. We have our next top model here. So tell the boys, Faith, and the rest of Insta and the world, what's going on with the food truck.
Okay, good news. Faith Cooks Love is going on tour. First stop, Washington, D.C., Northern Virginia. And that's where they needed to finish with her inside details. For today, no sales allowed by West Cape May. We have to do a special permission because there's no other food trucks in Cape May. There's no ordinances or laws against it, but there's no ordinances or laws that say you can have a food truck. So this requires special permission. I guess the license that they gave me a couple years ago was irrelevant. I understand that, but anyways, next season, great things coming. The Truck Baby and a retail location soon.
Yes. So guys, for those of you who missed it, it's April and April here. We're with Faith Cooks Love. We're live in West Cape May. And we have new episodes of April and April informational videos coming. And Faith is going on tour. She's taking the truck on the road. And so, some exciting information, a little about myself for a minute.
Yes.
I am currently directing a